It only has to be one page. So a lot of, I would suggest you go here, pictochart.com, create.pictochart.com. There's lots of different templates there. You can easily grab a template. I just tried it, and if I just grab a template, you can do something that says, I think, delete block if you right click on it, because most of the templates are like 3 pages long, so you can quickly delete 2 pages of it and then just edit the page left, add a picture, add a title, add some different information. You might need to put, I would suggest you put a bell curve on there, but that's one of the graphs they do not have, so you might need to draw a bell curve and take a picture and then just insert a picture to go along with your data. So then we need to do presentations. This will happen next Wednesday and possibly next Thursday. So here's the question I have there. Should we do video presentations in small groups, or should we have you record a video of you presenting and post it? The presentation is just 5 questions that you basically need to answer. You need to show us your infographic, and then you need to answer these questions for all of us. What was your claim? What was your process? How did you ask that question? Did you accept or reject your claim? What errors did you make? And nobody should have the answer of 0 here. You could easily say, well, it's possible that somebody lied when they were talking to me. It's possible that because I asked in this way that they felt this way and didn't completely give me the truth. Or if I was doing measurements, here's a way I could have measured incorrectly. So there always should be something there. And then finally, what did you learn about your topic or about hypothesis testing? And then you also need to make a comment or a question on 2 other people's projects. So if we do that as just like a live video chat, then we can just, I was thinking that we could do maybe 2 sessions, and you'd pop into one session, the one that you're going to present in, and you'd listen to like 4 or 5 other people, or 3 or 4 other people, other projects, and then comment on them. And we do that over 2 days. Or we could have you record your project and then just, actually make comments online. So I'll leave that up to you and talk to you guys about that. Okay. So that's the whole project. It's going to take a few days to do this, obviously. Tomorrow we're going to do the on Friday we're going to do the Chapter 7 review. Because on Thursday we'll be creating a survey and getting out a data collection way to people. And then we have to kind of sit and wait for our data. So we're going to have our data by Monday, so we'll have an extra day there. So I thought we'd do the Chapter 7 review just to make sure that you're reviewing how to do all this hypothesis testing so that your math is right in your project. So here's the rubric. All right, you have to get your claim approved by me, which you'll do today. 5 points for just getting real data and providing names of who you asked. I will definitely ask at least one person on your list if they talk to you, or if you talk to them. 1 paragraph or more about testing techniques, including whether or not you were random and unbiased. This is your hypothesis test math, so hopefully you don't mess up on your math. It's just one problem that you're creating. 8 is accepting or rejecting your claim, and paragraph about your results. 10 is your infographic, posted online, 1 page, just necessary information, and you put some effort into the design. So, if you grabbed a template that just had was covered in sunsets, and then you were asking people if they ate their boogers as a kid, maybe not the best picture to go along with your topic. So make sure that it looks appropriate. Presentation, again, that's just 5 questions, and then quality comments in somebody else's project, and that is 55 points. So, here's what you need to do today. You need to do 4 things. All right. Number 1, you need to do the Post-it partner. That is up today. So the Post-it partner is a goosebumps story. That means that I want you to tell me about a time that you got goosebumps because you were creeped out or weirded out or scared. So tell me about something creepy or unexplained that happened to you. Okay. Number 2, you need to I guess it's kind of like 2 and 3 here. You're going to respond to my assignment. And my assignment is, instead of actually taking a picture of your work this time, you're just going to write in a document and submit it that way. So it could be like a OneNote thing, or it could be or OneDrive thing, or it could just be like a Word document, whatever you want it to be. Or if you just want to email me, we can do it that way too. For this, you're going to have to tell me the claim of your project. So you're going to have to say, I believe that 40% of seniors actually love not being in school, or whatever. Tell me what the claim of your project is. You also need to tell me if you need a student list or an adult list of like all the teachers who you need. So if you're saying, ooh, I just want to ask the seniors, or ooh, I just want to ask the track team, or ooh, I just want to ask the teachers, or, you know, all of the high school, or whatever you want, you need to let me know so that I can get you a list of students or people in that population, so that you can then take a random sample with your calculator. So these are the 2 things that need to be in your assignment. 4 things. Okay, so last thing that needs to be in your assignment, you need to tell me a claim of your project. You need to tell me what student list you want so that I can prepare that for tomorrow. And then you also need to tell me if you want to do a video, like a recorded presentation. Or like if you want to pre-record a presentation, or if you just want to do a video chat. And we can all talk that way. And that would be next Wednesday. So the first one is what you're planning to do. The second one is what you're going to need from me. And the third one is how you want to present. And I'll talk about that. If we have 8 people who want to present one way and 1 person who wants to present another, we'll probably go with the majority. If we do half and half, I might even split you up about how you get to present. So we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, so make sure that you send me that assignment. I miss you a whole bunch. Bye.